Crewe Works was once the beating heart of Britain's railways. At its peak in the 1960s, the site covered 140 acres and built or maintained everything from BR standards to LMS Jubilees, 9Fs, and even the mighty Duchesses. The first standard, 70000 Britannia, was built here, and the ill-fated Duke of Gloucester spent much of its life returning to Crewe with steaming problems. A highlight was the Great Traverse, lined in later years with brush-type 4 diesels. Crewe also turned out westerns and even scrapped the prototype EM1 Tommy in 1970. Among the most famous visitors was the A4, Miles Beaver, which gave its wheels to sister engine Sir Nigel Gresley, holder of the post-war steam speed record at 112 miles per hour. Crewe South Shed opened for freight, but also home to Jubilees and Britannias, closed in 1967. Crewe North, famed for its Duchesses, closed even earlier, in May 1965. Both sites have since vanished. Today, most of the old works has been demolished or redeveloped, but part of the site lives on as the Crewe Heritage Centre, while the 1958 diesel depot still operates under new ownership. Crewe's lost sheds tell the story of steam's glory and decline, a chapter of railway history that still fascinates enthusiasts to this day. If you enjoyed this look back at Crewe, please like, share and subscribe for more journeys into Britain's railway past.